Q1 is equal to N by 4, Q1 is equal to L1 plus N by 4 minus CF4F into C. Q2 is equal to N by 2, L1 plus N by 2 minus CF4F into C. Add for 55, 50, 70. For 70, 25 should be added, become 95. You find out the skewness Q1, Q2, Q3. So what's the first step to do? Convert frequency into CF, then you have to do it. Good morning, I am Dr. B.S. Subramanya, called by name Dr. BSS, Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram, First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. In this session, I am going to have Business Statistics, second semester, Unit 3, Session 3. Then in favor of BBA, Measure of Dispersion. In the last session, I have explained about the especially measure of dispersion means, so skewness we are going to calculate. In the last session, we already solved Carl Pearson. This session, we are going to solve Bole skewness with quartile deviation. So based on quartile Q1, Q2, Q3, I am going to explain what is Q1, Q2 and 3. We'll move on. Bole skewness and quartile deviation. Quartile deviation is equal to Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. Coefficient of quartile division is Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1. Based on quartile, if you solve the problem of Bole skewness, it is Q3 plus Q1 minus 2 Q2 divided by Q3 minus Q1. So before going to problem, you have to know that what is Q1, what is it. Q1 is equal to N by 4. Then you have to apply Q1 is equal to L1 plus N by 4 minus CF over F into C. This goes in favor of Q1. Q2 is equal to N by 2 is equal to L1 plus N by 2 minus CF over F into C. Q3 is equal to 3n by 4. N is equal to number of frequency. So L1 plus 3n by 4 minus CF over F into C. So Q1 is equal to n by 4, Q1 is equal to L1 plus n by 4 minus CF over F into C. Q2 is equal to n by 2, L1 plus n by 2 minus CF over F into C. Q3 is equal to 3n by 4 is equal to L1 plus 3n by 4 minus CF over F into C. Now, we are going to calculate Q1, Q2, Q3. So, first we have to solve quartile deviation, then coefficient of quartile deviation and Bole skewness. We'll move on. What is the first step to do? When the problems are given, first convert the frequency into cumulative frequency. So first add the frequency. So it is 5 plus 10, 5 plus 10 plus 40 plus 15 plus 25 plus 28 plus 35 plus 40 plus 30 plus 22, 4210. It is 5 plus 10 plus 40 plus 15 plus 25 plus 28 plus 35 plus 40 plus 30 plus 22. 250. So n is equal to 250. Make the CF cumulative frequency. What is the first number? 5. Add 10, 15. So 15. Add 40. So 15 plus 40. This is 40. 15 plus 40. 55. 55 plus 15, 60, 70, 95. So 95 plus 28, 123. 123 plus 35, 158 plus 40, 198 plus 30, 228 plus 22, 250. So, how to do these? Make the cumulative frequency. What is the first number? 5 plus 10, 15 plus 40, 55 plus 15, 70. Add for 55, 50, 70. For 70, 25 should be added, become 95. 95 plus 28 is 123. 123 plus 35 is 158. 158 plus 40 is 198. 190 plus 30 is 228. 228 plus 22 is 250. That is the first step. So what we have got? 3 into mean minus median. What's called? Q2, you want quartile. Q1, Q2, Q3. So everything you have to do here. Here CF you have done. Then what we require is mean, mid value. 0 plus 20. 20 divided by 2 is 10. 20 plus 40, 60 divided by 2 is 30. Difference of 20, then 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190. Then D dash, first number as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So generally we put the first number as 0. This is assumed. Then all are increasing now. We can go with 1, 2, 3, 4. But the next step, FT dash, frequency, 5 into 0. What's your frequency? 5 into 0 is 0. 10 into 1 is 10. 40 into 2 is 80. Then 50 into 3 is 45. 25 into 4, 100. 28 into 5. 28 into 5, 140. 35 into 6. 35 into 6, 210. 40 into 7, 280. 30, 240. 22 into 9, 198. Add the figure slowly. What is the first number? 10 plus 80 plus 45 plus 100 plus 140 plus 210 plus 280 plus 240 plus 198. 1303. 5 plus 8, 13. 1 plus 2, 8. 2, 8, 10, 14, 18, 19, 27. 31, 9, 40. 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. So sigma FT dash 1303. So this is sigma FT dash. So what you require? Quartile deviation, then mean, median and skewness. First, quartile deviation Q1, is equal to n by 4. What's your n? 250 divided by 4. 250 divided by 4. 62.5. Find 62.5 here. It will come under, what is CF? 62.5. It will come under 70. This is your Q1. Apply. Q1 is equal to L1 plus N by 2 minus CF over F into C. This is your Q1. What is your N by 2 here? Q1 is equal to, this is your Q2. Q1 is equal to L1 divided by L1 plus N by 4 minus F. What's your L1? 60 plus, what is N by 4? 62.5 minus F behind number 55 divided by constant frequency of that group 15 into class interval is 20. This is 60 plus 62.5 minus 55. 62.5 minus 55 is equal to 7.5 divided by 15 into 20. 10. 62.5 minus 55 divided by 15 into 10. 5. This is 65. Q1. Q2 is equal to N by 2. 250 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are 125. So where the 125 will come? Under 158. Apply formula. Q2 is equal to L1 plus N by 2 minus CF over F into C. What's your L1? 120. What's your N by 2? 125 minus CF behind that number 123 divided by constant frequency 35 into 20. This is 120 plus 125 minus 123 to divide into 20 divided by 35. 1.14. 121.14. This is your Q2. Then this is your Q1. Then here Q3 is equal to 3n by 4. Q3 is equal to 3n by 4. 3 into 250 by 4. 3 into 250 divided by 4. 187.5. 187.5. Where it will come? Under 198 CF. So Q3 is equal to L1 plus 3n by 4 minus CF over F into C. What is your L1? 187. 140. What is 3n by 4? 187.5 minus CF 158 divided by constant frequency 40 into C is 20. So here 140, 187 minus 150 divided by 20. Here 180, 187.5 minus 158, 29.5 divided by 2, 14.75. 140 plus 14.75. So this is 154.75. This is your Q3. So we have find out Q1, Q2 and Q3. Here, if you come back here, space is there? No. So quartile deviation Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. What is your Q3? 154.75 minus. What's your Q1? 65 divided by 2. This is 154.75 minus 65. 150 minus 65 divided by 2. 44.875. Then here, coefficient of quartile deviation Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1. Coefficient of quartile deviation Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3. What is Q3? 154.75 minus 65 divided by 154.75 plus 65. Deduct 154.75 minus 65, 89.75 divided by, this is 154.75 plus 65, 219.75 divide 89.75 divided by 219.75, 0.4084. This is coefficient. Then Boyle's skewness. Skewness is equal to Q3 plus Q1 minus 2Q2 divided by Q3 minus Q1 is equal to, what is Q3? Your Q3 is 154.75, 154.75 plus, what's your Q1? 65 minus 2 into, what's your Q2? Q2 is 121.14, 121.14 divided by 154.75 minus 65 is equal to 154.75 plus 65, 219.75 minus, this is 214, sorry, it is 121.14 into 2, 242.28 divided by 154.75 minus 65. 154.75 minus 65. 89.75. So deduct, this is 219.75 minus 242.28 minus 22.53 divided by 89.75 divided by 89.75. This is minus Sk is equal to minus 0.25. This is your Sk. Sk is equal to Boyle's skewness, no space, 0.25. So we find out quartile deviation. You find out the skewness, Q1, Q2, Q3. So what's the first step to do? Convert frequency into CF. Then you have to do it. Hope you understand this. We'll move on to next problem. If you want, skewness is equal to Sk is equal to Q3 plus Q1 minus 2Q2 divided by Q3 minus Q1. If you want, you can apply. What is Q3? 154.75. 154.75 minus plus 65 minus 2 into your Q2, 121.14 whole divided by 154.75 minus 65. So Sk is equal to, answer, your Sk is equal to minus 0.25. We'll move on to next problem. So next problem, 30 to 32, 32 to 34, 34 to 36. Now we have to calculate only Boyle's skewness. Convert into CF. You consider as F. This is X CF. 12, 18, 30. First add the frequency. We'll add the frequency now. 12 plus 18 plus 26 plus 14 plus 12 plus 10 plus 8. 100. N is equal to 100. Make the frequency 12 plus 8, 30. 30 plus 56, 60, 70, 82, 92, 100. This is the first step to do CF. Then mid value, 30 plus 32 is 62 divided by 2, 31. Then 32 plus 34 divided by 2, 33, difference of 35, 37, 39, 41, 43. Difference, mid value. D dash, first number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. FT dash, frequency, 12 into 0 is 0. This and this, 18 into 1 is 18. 26 into 2, 52. 14 into 3, 42. 12 fours are 48. 10 fives are 50. 8 6 are 48. Add the figure. This is 18 plus 52 plus 42 plus 48 plus 50 plus 48. 258. 250 sigma ft dash 258. So CF you have done in. So we'll go for skewness. So first one is you require Q1 is equal to n by 4, 100 by 4. This is 25. Find 25 in CF. This is your Q1. So Q1 is equal to L1 plus n by 4 minus CF over F into C. What's your L1? 32. What's your n by 4? 25 minus CF. Which range you have selected? 30. Behind number is 12. Divided by constant frequency is 18. It is 2. 32. 13 divided by 18 into 2. This is 32 plus 13 divided by 18 into 2. 1.44. 33.44. This goes to Q1. Q2 is equal to n by 2, 100 by 2 is equal to 50. Find 50 in CF. It will come under 56. This is Q2. Apply. Q2 is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus CF over F into C. What is your L1? 34. What is your n by 2? 50. Minus CF, this is your 18. Divided by constant frequency. Your constant frequency is 26. Class interval is 2. 34 plus 50. Behind is 18. Divided by constant frequency CF. Your 50. Your CF is 30. Constant number is 50 minus behind here is 30 divided by constant frequency 26 into 2. This is 34. 50 minus 30 is 20 divided by 26 into 2 is equal to 34. This is 20 divided by 26 into 2. 1.53. 35.53. Last month, Q1 30. Behind number is 12. Constant 18. Correct. So Q1 over, Q2 over. Then we require Q3. Q3 is equal to 3n by 4. 3 into 100 by 4, that is 300 by 4 is 75. 300 divided by 4 is 75. Find 75 in CF. 75 will come under 82. This is the range. This is the Q3. Apply now. Q3 is equal to L1 plus 3n by 4 minus CF over F into C is equal to, what's your L1? 38 plus 3n by 4, 75 minus CF behind that is 70 divided by constant frequency is 12 into 2. This is 38. 75 minus 70 is 5 divided by 12 into 2. This 38 plus 10 divided by 12, 0.83. 38.83. This is your Q3. Then skewness of Boles is equal to Q3 plus Q1 minus 2Q2 divided by Q3 minus Q1. What's your Q3? 38.83 plus what's your Q1? Your Q1 is 33.44. 33.44 minus 2 into Q2 is 35.53 bracket divided by 38.83 minus Q1 is 33.44. First add the figure. 38.83 plus 33.44, 72.27 minus 35.53 into 2, 71.06 divided by 38.83 minus 33.44, 5.33 is equal to 72.27 minus 71.06, 1.21 divided by 5.33. SK, skewness is equal to 1.21 divided by 5.33, 0.227. Always your skewness should be less than 1. Always find out Q1, Q2, Q3, your skewness. I have solved the problems on quartile and the skewness. So I solved the two problems on the skewness. One with the quartile, another directly skewness. Boles skewness is equal to Q3 plus Q1 minus 2 Q2 divided by Q3 minus Q1. Hope you understand. We'll in the next session we'll have one more problems on Boles skewness. Then we say that we already solved Coral Pearson. Now it is Boles method. So hope you understand. We'll meet in the next session with another problem of Boles skewness. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next session.